Want to tell the people what you're doing?
Yeah, is it rolling?
Yep, I think
Hey
so.
guys, I'm out here blowing up a weather balloon using a commercial tank bought from Walmart. These are also purchased at Target if you're in Europe or the United States. If not, there's other places where you can get them in Africa. So what I have here is a 14.3, I believe, cubic feet of helium. And then this is a 100-gram balloon used for regular radiosondes, in other words, regular weather balloons. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with a whole bunch of helium. So let's start here. Alright guys, now that the weather balloon's filled up, our last step is to put a clamp on it. So in this case I have a little
Binder clip.
binder clip. Alright, so you want to fold the neck over and then find a clamp. Put this over it so that no air escapes. Alright, I'm signing in.
Yeah.
And what you can tell from the form, it says top up of 1,000 telos. So we'll go here and we'll select top up. We'll use USD because I'm in USD, and then we'll select digital currency. Here we'll select telos, and we want to put in the 1,000 here. And it'll automatically tell you how much that converts to. So if I wanted to choose Naira, I would do that here. If I wanted to do US dollar, I keep it there, and it equals 15.6 US dollars. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit top up. So it gives me some information. It gives me a deposit address and a deposit memo. This form has Sesa deposit already. So we'll come here and copy the deposit memo, and we'll paste it here. All right, next, we're gonna take a look at our balloon, our balloon payload. And you can see here that the device account starts with M1. And if we go here, you would normally just have to type it in or use a QR code to put that in. So if we look up close, you can see M1. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit the weather, which right now it's in beautiful Plano, Texas. It's nice and sunny. So we're gonna hit that, as you can see. Nice and sunny. All right, so I'm gonna call myself a certified miner. I'm next to a gateway that works because we checked it. I'll launch in the next 10 minutes, but it'll probably be more like 2 minutes. And I'll go ahead, and as soon as I hit submit, I wanna plug in the battery into my device. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit submit. You can see the message come up. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna plug this in here. So this starts the two-factor authentication. And we wanna come back here and wait for our changes to be updated. All right, so we're verified for launch. Yeah. All right guys, so what I have here is a 3D printed box with another clamp and then a 12-foot parachute in diameter. This will weigh about 30 grams.
12 foot or 12 inches?
12 inches. Yeah, this is a 12-inch parachute. So what I want to go ahead and do is use this PVA material, which is water dissolvable, to go ahead and tie up a certain part of the balloon. And we've made our weather balloon. We're gonna go ahead and put this.
I just scanned, so that's me.
That's okay. And we go ahead and put this into our little device here.
It's really windy, which is why it's shaking.
Yeah, it's about 15 miles per hour. I checked the weather this morning. All right, so go. All right, guys.
Okay, do you have this?
You got it, yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys, so the last bit is to just let it go. I'm gonna make sure it clears all the trees and everything.
Should I follow?
No, you're good. All right, 3, 2, 1. And it's off.
Bye, balloon.
All right, guys, now that we've sent it off, we're gonna go ahead and off. There it goes. It's just a speck in the sky now. We're gonna take a look at our data here. So right now, I did a few test launches, so you'll see ones here, but this 3 is our number. This is our 3rd launch. So here we can see that the pressure's at 985 millibars.
Wait, point at it because I can't.
So it's right here.
Okay.
So we know that as soon as the balloon reaches 900 millibars, it's a little bit further up, we'll be rewarded in digital currency. 10 more minutes. If we look here, we'll see that it reached a pressure of 871 just a moment ago. So if we go here to our Sesacash app, we can see that we now have $21 USD. So it added those extra 15. So it's a success.